Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. Today I have this Hojicha powder. So what is Hojicha? Hojicha is Japanese green tea roasted in porcelain over charcoal. So the end product is light golden brown color leaves. This is the Hojicha powder. Today I'm going to show you a very simple Hojicha ice cream recipe. The end product is from the powder to this beautiful Hojicha ice cream. Let's do this. So it is really easy to make. You can actually do this at home, for your kids, for your family. So this is like really simple Hojicha ice cream recipe. So thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you have any questions. Please take care everyone and see ya.